Hello and welcome to the fifth and final part of my conversations with the co-founder of RoboQuant, Mr. Tim Hutter. In this series, we have discussed a lot of things and I hope that I have covered most of all of your doubts. And if I haven't, make sure you comment down below your doubts and I'll try to cover them in the next part. But this is the final part of the conversation and we are going to discuss the future of AI trading. So make sure you like and subscribe and let's drop that intro. All right. Where do you see AI trading going in the next 3 to 5 years?
So I believe that agentic trading will be quite big, I believe, but also I don't think it will make such a big difference. So some people will find a way to just let an AI trade, maybe a partially mechanical strategy, but with a lot of discretion and less emotions. This is going to be very interesting. This will obviously take some opportunities, but if too many people do the same thing, that it will also the alpha go is going to go. There's going to be alpha decay, and new opportunities will come. So it's hard for me to say, but I believe more and more traders, they will definitely start using automation now that these tools are here. But I don't think much of it is going to change. It will still require you to dedicate your time, be patient, and I mean, if it was easy, everyone would do it, but that's not how the market works, you know.
Yeah.
When you win, someone else loses. Not everyone can win, so it's all the competition is never going to end. The
Right.
question is only what tools are you using and what tools are your competitors using?
Yeah.
Do you think that banks are just sitting there on their MetaTrader or like hedge funds MetaTrader looking for the equities? No, they're looking for systems.
That actually brings you to the next question. Do you think that retail traders now or in the next, in a few years, will have access to the tools that were earlier only available to institutions?
Absolutely. A good example of this is order flow. This was something extremely niche and not so much anymore. It went quite viral with some platforms, but still, that's something 5 years ago, no one really talked about it in retail trading. Not that it's like it's not some magic stuff, but more retail traders have more access to better tools. Absolutely.
All right. What is the long-term vision for RoboQuant?
For this, I have to show you our new version.
All right, go on.
Okay, so the long-term vision of RoboQuant, I can only speak for the next 2 or 5 years. I truly believe that this will be the number one platform for automated trading because it combines everything in one platform. Let's say there's Ninja Trader. You can automate stuff, but you have to code. No one can code. Almost no one can code. You have MetaTrader. Same thing. You have MetaTrader is great for automation, but you don't have volume data. You don't have order flow. And you don't have AI built in. So this is then compared to TradingView, you can run automated strategies, but you cannot connect them to your account without a webhook connector. So now we have this all in one. You have here your strategies, and I believe you have to see that these strategies, they're all developed by AI itself. So instead of you just telling the AI what kind of strategy you want to build, you can just tell it, hey, listen, please build an opening range breakout strategy for me, backtest it, optimize it until you have a profit factor of whatever, and it's going to do this automatically. So it takes over the entire strategy development process and backtesting and everything. And then you have your strategy and you can just deploy your strategies here on the chart. Probably now it's going to be a shitty backtest because it's not optimized or the wrong date range, but whatever. You can just drag and drop your strategies on the chart. It takes some time to load, but then you can deploy them with just one click to your account. And yeah, you have all in one. And like I said, we also have order flow data. This always takes some time to load. So that's big. Here we have now order flow, these deep candles where you can look into the candle and see how many contracts have been traded, in which direction, at what price. So this will allow you to basically use order flow data in your automated strategies. There's nothing comparable like this on the market. I haven't found a really good way to use this yet, but I'm sure I'm going to find one where I just have more data, more information to have even more profitable strategies. That's probably a world's first because this also works on mobile. So with RoboQuant, you can develop strategies from your phone, backtest them, and deploy them, and even use order flow all from your phone. And you don't even have to build the strategy yourself. You can just tell the AI, develop XYZ, and it's just going to build it, backtest, does everything. So that's the future. We just wanted to build the best algo trading platform on the market.
All right. I think this is pretty advanced, and I think this is still in the testing phase. But I'm sure I've never seen something like this. Like obviously we've seen order flow a lot, but order flow combining with this, backtesting way, this is new.
Yeah, absolutely. And let's load this backtest here. Here you see the backtest results. So you have them now directly on RoboQuant. You don't have to rely on TradingView anymore. TradingView has many restrictions, and you don't have to compile and drag and drop and put it on a VPS. None of this. You just build it, one click, and it backtests it. Here you see the equity curve. And then you also have you have the chart with the executions. You have the list of trades. You have a Monte Carlo simulation for the risk analysis, and you can also have a prop firm simulation to calculate your pass rate based on your rules of the prop firm. Yeah, so this is just everything an algo trader needs, like to successfully trade prop firms with algos. And also optimization, before we had this with this Chrome extension, and now it's here on RoboQuant itself, no more TradingView restrictions. It's just 4,000% faster than on TradingView. Really 4,000% faster. So.
That's insane.
And also API keys. So I know that's not going to be, I just wanted to show you this. In the future, you can also add your API keys, and it will also, well, first of all, you can use your own subscriptions to pay for the credits, to pay for the AI. So let's say you have a GPT subscription or Anthropic, you can put in your key, and so we don't charge you. But also there will be the possibility to put in API keys when you have like AI agents and stuff. Man, the possibilities are going to be endless. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very impressive actually. That's very I've never seen something like this. So I think this is going to be really interesting.
Absolutely. Oh, and look, we also have the replay mode. That's just what I think Gabriel needs to fix something very small. I'm not sure if you have fixed it. No, he didn't fix it yet. This is not supposed to happen. But you see, you have the replay mode. And of course, if you have like a strategy, it will show you the executions and everything. So you have this all. Yeah, man, exciting times.
Yeah.
But now I'm exhausted.
We're just closing now.
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah. All right. So, any ending remarks, basically, just closing now. So, any ending remarks?
No, I can just say thank you for this opportunity, for this conversation. It was very interesting, and I hope it was helpful to some people out there, traders that don't really know what the best approach is. And I really hope they learn something from this. I think it was a lot of value in this conversation and can save some beginners a lot of years of struggle due to listening to the wrong people. You said many interesting things, many good questions. So I think it was a great conversation.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Actually, so yeah, I also had a lot of fun working, with RoboQuant and using my own strategy on RoboQuant. So I think the conclusion is, it's pretty simple. AI will not, replace the traders, um, who think and who test and who manage their risk properly. I think, but it will definitely, help the traders basically expose their own problems in their own strategies. I think so. I think that's pretty useful. And all right. So thank you guys for watching. And if you want to explore RoboQuant more, I'll add the link in the description. And I suggest that you use it as a research assistant and not as some magical signal machine. All right. So thank you so much, Tim. All right.
Thanks so much for having me.
All right.
Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
Yeah, sure. Bye bye. So that was it, guys. I hope we covered all the questions or doubts that you guys might have. And if we haven't, just comment down below your doubts and we'll try to cover them in the next part. I hope you guys learned something and enjoyed the conversation that we had. If you did, drop a like and subscribe to support the channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.